We have here is butterfly and flower lights, solar powered. One is solid, one is blinking, and we're going to demonstrate and show you what this product is about. Sukusao solar butterflies, 12 of them, IP65 rated, comes nicely packaged for campsites, magical lights. That mode 1 and mode 2, that they have a solid light or a fade flashing light. Now what we're going to do is open up the box, show you how nicely they are packaged in here and what they look like. They stand about 30 inches tall, fully set up. They need to be charged via the solar sun, and we have stakes and poles to put together. We have an instruction guide to go over to learn about your product. With the pole, simply take the pointer, put together. With the bottom base of the stake, stick in and adjust the solar panel outside to collect sun for the first time. On the bottom of the unit is the on and off switch, as well as the mode 1 and mode 2. We have 6 butterfly types on the unit, flowers and butterflies, and they are adjustable. They will blow in the wind, give it a little force to give a shape. Covering up the solar panel and lighting up, pressing one of the solar lights, the unit will come on, and they are a soft white glow. Pressing again is a flash per 3/4 of a second. And again, back to the solid. And then when the sun hits the panel, dusk to dawn, the light goes off and on. So what we're going to do is set this up in the garden and show you what it looks like. On the back, black on black, press once, the lights will be on. Place into the ground in an area and stake. Setting up the other one is the same as putting in the pole and the stake pointer. Finding a spot in the corner and placing on, allow the sun to hit. When the wind blows, these will sprinkle around. You may force bend to give a little bit of an angle. Once they are adjusted accordingly, we'll come back in the evening hours and look at them. Rainbow colored design, lights in the top, butterflies, and flowers. It's the evening hours at night and all the lights are on solid. Now what we're going to do is switch it on over and change it. We have one blinking and one solid, and we'll give you a close-up look. This is a close-up look at the lights, one blinking, one solid. Place the lights anywhere where you want. Change them from solid to blinking by a press of a button and turn on and off. Enjoy your solar butterfly flower light, and thank you for viewing.